how to share Spotify Wrapped on Twitter on Android or iPhone. It's easy. First, just go to Play Store or App Store. Now type here Spotify, then type Spotify and click on it. And here make sure your Spotify is updated. And that's it. If you can't find here any updates, then click uninstall and then install it again. And after that, go back, restart your phone, and then just go back and try to share it again. And if that doesn't fix it, go to settings, scroll down until you find here apps, then apps again, type here Twitter, then click on it. Now go to storage, clear cache, and go back, try again. I hope that can fix your problem, and see you in the next video.